Hello creative heroes, welcome back to another video. It's Thang and
Michael.
here today and we are welcoming you to video all about the layers in Canva. There's actually no explicit user interface for layers in Canva, but there is a possibility to move the objects back and forth in the scene.
Okay, I'm getting it. So it has layers.
Well, if by layers we mean the ones in Photoshop for example, then there are no layers in Canva. But there is a relationship between each of the objects in the Canva scene, so there is a certain hierarchy between those objects and that defines which objects are in the front of the scene and the ones in the back. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please hit a subscribe button if you have not.
May the good karma be with you.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time being here with me. Thang and
Michael.
are out.